Hi again everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And for another one, look what the postman brought me. So this time it's from, I guess most of you know this, from Tamico in Germany. So let's just open and see what we got. First up, from Killer Body, some light buckets for the beer set body. So I'm hoping this will fit the Tamiya beer set, Subaru beer set. I will give it a try and see. And some wheels. And here some TT01 parts. One of my damper mounts broke, so I needed to get a new one. So another TT01 part. I'm running short of body mounts as I changed the body and mount new bodies to them. So I had to buy a kit, new parts tree for that, and same as this. So all this plastic, which I don't need, just to get the body mounts. I wish they would have made just body mounts. Also, I need some more grease, so I bought some Serra grease. I like it very much, but if it's the best one, I'm not sure, but it's good. Here, some mirrors for the BR set. So I will see if that fits my beer set. Yeah, and two more wheels. And we have another package. Tamico had this week, I think it's, yeah, this week they have the weekly offer for this beautiful, look at this, pre-painted and body with the complete light kit already mounted. So this is just awesome. So yeah, this will go on the TT01, or actually this I will use on my TT02 once I get it built. So yeah, so there you have it. Yet another unboxing with what the postman brought me. If you like this and want to see these parts or body fitted to the car, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and if you like, also the notification bell. So yeah, so until next time, bye bye.